to discuss is hepatic portal system. Now let's understand the meaning of hepatic portal system. Hepatic word is related with liver. Portal means short, chota, and system is the system. When suppose this is your stomach, and from stomach food enter into small intestine. Okay, and when the food passes from the stomach and small intestine, and suppose this is your heart, let's draw heart. Okay, this is heart. Generally what we do, we transport blood from organ to heart through vena cava. Generally what we do, we transfer deoxygenated blood from different organs to heart directly. But we cannot send blood from stomach and intestine directly to heart because liver has to monitor this blood. Okay, so suppose let's draw liver. Okay, now when you take food, you eat lot of things. You eat carbohydrate, you eat protein, fats, and sometime by mistake some toxic material also enter in your food, and along with that food sometime it enter in your organs also. Every organ is having different mechanism to provide immunity, but still certain parts are there where you are not able to control that infection. So the thing is this, we cannot transfer food directly from, or sorry, blood directly from stomach and from small intestine to heart, because once it enter into heart it will circulate into the entire body. Let's understand a very simple example. You are very excited and you got very good result and all, and खुशी खुशी में आप खा गए 10-12 रसगुल्ले. You have taken lot of amount of glucose, and just give a thought if this glucose will be digested by the stomach or by the mouth or the intestine, and from there this entire glucose will enter into heart, and from the heart it will enter into the entire body, then we are not in situation to save you. Clear? In the similar way, if someone is alcoholic and by chance that person has taken lot of alcohol once a time, and if you consume that alcohol and that alcohol from your body directly enter into from stomach and intestine, it reach to heart, then definitely it will circulate into your body. You have taken some food and by mistake that food was spoiled and you were not able to identify that this food is infected, and you have eaten that food, and that food, if after the digested food which contain infection will circulate, will that blood will circulate to the entire body, then it's really difficult to save your life. बहुत एक मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कितना इसमें कितनी सच्चाई है और कितना गलत है. माइथोलॉजी में देयर इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ मीराबाई, दैट मीराबाई हैज शी हैज ड्रिंकन सम जहर का प्याला और लाइक दैट. सो माइट बी पॉसिबल वो लिवर वाला कोई सिस्टम रहा होगा जहाँ पर लिवर ने उसको डिटॉक्सिफाई किया होगा. But it's not like that कि whatever we are eating everything will be detoxified or converted into simplest form by liver. There is a limitation always. So what you have to understand is whatever we are eating that cannot directly enter into the venous system means directly cannot enter into the veins, and from veins it cannot directly send it to the heart. What we have to do? First we have to send this entire blood to liver. Liver will monitor everything. After that it will goes to heart. Clear? So let's understand. There are some blood vessels. These are the blood vessels arise from stomach. Capillaries you can say. There are certain capillaries which arise from small intestine. These capillaries unite and these capillaries enter into liver. Okay, so this system of capillaries is known as hepatic portal system. We have basically three kind of portal system. One is hepatic portal system, one is renal portal system, one is hypophyseal portal system. But as per your syllabus, we have to understand only hepatic portal system. Now, why this system is known as hepatic portal system? This system is known as hepatic portal system because these are the short veins. These are the veins which arise from the capillaries and end on the capillaries. These are the veins which carry blood to liver. That's why it is called hepatic portal system. So what is portal system? Portal system is the system when it carry blood from one organ to another organ other than heart. जब एक ऑर्गन से दूसरे ऑर्गन में ब्लड जाता है और वो दूसरा ऑर्गन क्या नहीं होना चाहिए, हार्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, दैट सिस्टम इज नोन एज पोर्टल सिस्टम. Now here it is called hepatic portal system. The reason is in this case this blood is enter into hepatic, that is liver. Now what will happen here? Here आपने तो खाया क्या, खूब रसगुल्ले खाए, so that extra glucose will convert into glycogen by the liver. खूब जम के पूड़ियाँ खाई, छोले भटूरे खाए, that extra fat will convert into fatty acid and glycerol. Or your physical trainer guide you, you are gaining lot of weight, so please come on the protein diet and you have taken कि आज तो बस मतलब 4-5 किलो वेट में कम कर ही दूंगा या दूंगी. So you have taken lot of protein. Your body cannot use that much of protein. So that extra protein by the process of deamination convert into amino acid, and this amino acid will convert into whatever amino acid are required that will used by the body, and whatever is left will convert into urea, uric acid or ammonium products. Clear? So all if you have taken something toxic, in toxic I am including everything. In toxic I am talking about alcohol, in toxic I am talking about stale food, बासी खाना आपने खाया. In toxic I am talking about the infected food, गोलगप्पे खाए और वो गंदा वाला ऐसे वाला हाथ था और उससे जम्स पहुंच गए. That all will detoxify with the help of liver. ये सब कहाँ पर होगा? ये सारा कन्वर्जन होगा लिवर के अंदर. Okay. Now everything is monitored by liver. Liver has monitor. So liver is the monitor system of your body. Liver has monitored everything. Now from the liver capillaries will arise, and these capillaries will enter into a vein. So these are the hepatic, जो लिवर से निकल रही है और क्योंकि निकल रही है इसलिए वेन. दे विल ओपन इनटू वेना केवा. ये वेना केवा में ओपन होंगे एंड दिस वेना केवा विल ओपन इनटू हार्ट. सो ब्लड कैसे गया? ब्लड डायरेक्ट हार्ट में नहीं गया. फ्रॉम liver it enter into hepatic vein, from hepatic vein it enter into vena cava, and from vena cava it enters into heart. So when the blood is enter into heart, this blood does not contain excess glucose, this blood does not contain excess of fat or excess of protein or excess of toxic material. So this entire system is known as hepatic portal system. Now, I would like to discuss few of questions based on hepatic portal system which is given in your book. The very basic question on hepatic portal system is name the vein which begins with the capillaries and which ends with the capillaries. ऐसी वेन्स का नाम बताइए जो कैपिलरीज से ही शुरू होती हैं और कैपिलरीज पर ही खत्म होती हैं. दिस इज पोर्टल वेन. आप आंसर यहाँ पे हेपेटिक पोर्टल नहीं लिखेंगे बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट मेंशन दैट इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम लिवर. मैंने लिवर का नाम कहीं पर भी नहीं लिया है तो आप ये नहीं लिखेंगे. द ब्लड वेसल दैट बिगन एंड एंड्स इन कैपिलरीज. द क्वेश्चन इज लेट मी रब दिस. Question is the blood vessel that begins and ends in capillaries, that begins and ends in capillaries, जो कैपिलरीज से ही शुरू हो रही हैं और कैपिलरीज पे ही खत्म हो रही हैं. This is the question where most of the students do mistake and many of you will write down the answer hepatic portal system. No, और hepatic portal vein नहीं. Answer is portal vein because मैंने अभी liver के बारे में कोई question ही नहीं किया है. So right answer is portal vein. This is the very common question we have. The another question is any one vein which start from an organ, any one vein which starts from an organ and ends in another organ and ends in another organ other than heart. सेम तरह का क्वेश्चन है बट इन अ डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज. देन अगेन आंसर इज पोर्टल वेन. एनी वन वेन विच स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एन ऑर्गन एंड एंड्स इन अनदर वेन अदर देन हार्ट, दैट इज अ पोर्टल वेन. एस यहाँ पर आपसे एग्जाम्पल पूछा है कि ऐसा कोई का एग्जाम्पल बताइए. यू मे राइट जरूरी नहीं है आप लिखें बट आप यहाँ पर हेपेटिक पोर्टल वेन मेंशन कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? ओके. Sometime the question is what is the importance of hepatic portal vein? The importance of hepatic portal vein is it helps in monitoring of the nutrients. If extra glucose is there, that will convert into glycogen. If extra proteins are there, that will convert into amino acid. One more important question, where urea is formed? ये बहुत important question है. Where urea is formed? Urea is formed in, answer is liver, by the deamination of amino acids or proteins. Okay, so another question, what is the location and function of hepatic portal vein? What is the location and function of hepatic portal vein? Wherever the question is based on location, be very specific for location. And function, if the function is transporting, then it should be very clear from to where, कहाँ से कहाँ तक. Okay, what is the question? What is the location of hepatic portal vein? Hepatic portal vein क्या है? फिर से देखिए. This is your gastrointestinal area, that is stomach. Okay, this is your small intestine. This entire region is known as GI region or intestinal tract, gastrointestinal tract कहते हैं इसको. Okay, from here the blood enter into liver. So this one is known as hepatic portal vein. So what is the question? What is the location of hepatic portal vein? Hepatic portal vein is present between gastrointestinal tract and liver. You may write between the gut and liver. Clear? What is the function? Its function is to carry blood from intestinal region or from gastrointestinal tract to liver, so liver can monitor that blood. बेहतर होगा आप gastrointestinal tract ही लिखें. The reason is if you are mentioning only stomach, so you are, आपने नहीं कहा बट आपका आंसर ये कहता है कि इसका मतलब intestine इसका पार्ट नहीं है. If you are writing intestine, it means you are saying that stomach will not participate in this system. जबकि ऐसा नहीं है. ब्लड दोनों से, क्योंकि स्टमक के अंदर प्रोटीन का डाइजेशन होता है, वहाँ से डायरेक्ट ब्लड हार्ट में नहीं भेजा जा सकता. सिमिलरली इंटेस्टाइन में कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट ऑल आर डाइजेस्टिंग, सो वी कैन नॉट सेंड ब्लड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम इंटेस्टाइन टू हार्ट. तो दोनों ही हेपेटिक पोर्टल सिस्टम का पार्ट हैं. तो दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन. Mainly these questions are there, and sometimes they ask what is the difference between mesenteric artery and hepatic artery. Mesenteric artery is artery which is present in intestinal region. The artery which carry blood from intestine is known as intestinal artery, and the artery which carry blood, oxygenated blood to liver is known as hepatic artery. So there is a question, what is the difference between hepatic artery and mesenteric artery? Reason supplied पर पूछा हुआ है question. So mesenteric artery carry blood to intestine and hepatic artery carry blood to liver. So almost questions I have discussed from this topic, and I have discussed this topic also. So what you have to do, please revise this entire system from your body, from your book, and this was the last topic from this chapter, and hope so next week, next chapter we will start, and till then keep your heart healthy, because in next week we are going to start excretory system. Then we will take care of our kidney and other organs which helps in excretory system. Till then, take care, bye.